I was covered in hair overnight. I left for a month to take care of my sick mom. I came back and barely recognized my husband. A hunk can't be with a chubber. You've got a month. I was afraid to lose Don. He kept changing. Take a picture. I'll be a super trainer. He made a water weight loss course and had clients. Don't you dare come out. Your fat will hurt my image. I loved Don and believed in his course's success. Drink up, girls. Water will get rid of the fat. Honey, look, I lost 7 pounds. A real woman's waist is 24 inches clear. Don would train me at night, so no one would see. Drink more, eat less. You'll be 36, 24, 36. But all my efforts only plumped up my face. My program is perfect. You're binging on the sly. Don grew slimmer and I beat myself up for failing. I'm getting new clothes. When I get back, no cheeks. I sweat my guts out, but Don didn't come home, hiding his nasty weight loss secret from me. Next morning, I woke up to Don screaming. God, where'd this hair come from? I need a doctor. Take me to the hospital. I feel awful. Back off, Bigfoot. Help, it ate my wife. You could have died. That's no way to lose weight. They found traces of various drugs in my tests. My husband nearly killed me for a quick buck. But soon, he begged me not to lose weight. Don had a basement stash where he'd stuff his face. Suddenly, there was steam and a slam behind me. Meet my future wife, a real woman. You'll stay in here with your fat forever. My hubby locked the house. I hid in the bathroom. I found a piece of evidence. But would I survive? Don assured me there was no one else in the house. Please help. You must punish my husband. I made it out and instantly filed for divorce. She almost killed us. Revenge for choosing a skinny. Stop lying. You've been drugging us with steroids. You slimmed and blew up evidence. Selfish liar. All his clients with side effects convinced everyone. All the evil backfired on Don. I'm healed and enjoying myself, weight and all. I'm ready to take you back. No need to slim down. You can forget me for good. Adios. You think a woman over 110 pounds is worthy of love?